If you ever ask yourself, where does this column come from? Where is this column used downstream? Then this video is for you. Today we'll be diving into column level lineage in dbt core, and I'll be showing you how to do this using an open source package out there. By the end of this video, you would have learned how to set it up, run it on your dbt project, and begin to see column level lineage within your dbt project. Easy peasy. If this is your first time on this channel, really excited to have you here. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for stopping by. Please, I'd like you to hit the subscribe button. My analytics tells me that over 90% of viewers watch the video consistently week over week but are not subscribed. Like, why? Why do you watch and don't subscribe? Please hit the subscribe button right now. Hit it right now. Thank you so much. It's really helpful for me and also for the YouTube algorithm as well. Thank you so much. Hit the like button and also subscribe button as well. Thank you so much. Now, normally, dbt comes with model level lineage that allows you to see how your data is flowing from models upstream down to models downstream. However, within dbt enterprise package or enterprise feature or tiers, dbt provides column level lineage, right? However, like I said, it's just excluded and only available to enterprise users. For dbt core users who also want to experience dbt column level lineage within their dbt projects, thankfully there's a free package out there called dbt-colibri that was created by NAS, and on this video I'm going to show you how you can set it up on your system on a dbt project or your dbt core and begin to see column level lineage within your dbt project. Now, why does column level lineage matter? If you need more precisions on which specific columns upstreams are being used in downstream reporting tables, then you need column level lineage. If perhaps you want to deprecate a column upstream and you're not sure how it's going to impact models downstream or reporting tables downstream, then you need column level lineage. Maybe perhaps you want to see column level impacts on transformation, maybe for compliance or governance reasons, then you also need column level lineage as well. Alright, so setting this up is quite easy and straight to the point. I'm just going to show you on my screen right now and then we see what this looks like in practice. Alright, so here we are on dbt-colibri's repository. Like I said, it was created by NAS. So yeah, lightweight, really friendly developer friendly CLI tool, and self-hostable dashboard for extracting and visualizing column level lineage for a dbt project. All right, like I said, very easy peasy. You can install this on your PC, your dbt core, your PC, or wherever you're running your deployment. Pip install dbt colibri or use UV to install that, and then you compile dbt project, generate your docs for your dbt project, and then colibri generate, and you view the results using opening this HTML file in your browser, and voila, there you go. So we have a simple project. I just had to create some like extra models, and there's a stage model going to, or just two models here, going to this. Oh, it's coming from seed as well, so I think that will probably be helpful. So let's see what this looks like here. So I already have this running in my dbt, so let's just for the sake of this run. Okay, don't worry, I'm just going to do dbt compile. I already have dbt colibri installed already, so and then you can see the solution is quite simple and straight to the point, and then dbt docs generate. Okay, come on, come on. Yep, yeah, written to my catalog JSON, and then next thing we do, we run colibri generate. Voila, and then we run open. We're opening this file, and here we have it. I don't have documentations on this project. Where you have documentation on this project, you're going to find all the documentations similar to the catalog on dbt cloud. So on dbt cloud right now, there's the catalog feature that's available for enterprise users. On the catalog feature was previously docs generate. You are going to begin to see column level lineage on dbt cloud enterprise users. But here, so I have this plus here. As you can see, this gives me these models, every information. I have description, whatever. The node type is the model, is the table, the schema it is, contract, no contract enforced, DPT contract, right? So the interesting thing right now is if I expand this, I can begin to see the lineage graph. So imagine I had a longer
I had a lot of models. So if I set my ID, you can see how ID goes there, event timestamp, value dimension. So you can see how this really is interesting. Um, you can do a lot with this for a full-blown DBT project. You can begin to see how your data, your column lineage flows from source down to models downstream. Yeah, so pretty simple, right? I'm sure you tried it out right now.
Yeah, so if you found this video helpful, please I'd like you to hit the like button, the subscribe button as well, so you can be notified once a new video drops in. Alright, see you again in the next video. Bye for now.